in today's video we will see how to reset the Midea air conditioner, factory reset, error reset and AC troubleshooting. So the step 1, the method 1 is perform a basic power reset. So the step 1 is turn the air conditioner off using the remote or the unit power button. Next, step 2, unplug the AC from the electrical outlet. The step 3, wait 5 to 10 minutes so the unit electronics can fully powered down. The step 4, while waiting, remove the batteries from the remote control if you suspect a remote control problem. Step 5, plug the AC back into the outlet. Step 6, wait a few minutes before turning it on. Step 7, set the model to cool, choose your desired temperature and test the AC. Method 2, reset using the remote control. So step 1, turn the AC off. Then locate the reset button on the unit or power cord. Next, press the button and wait a few minutes. Then turn the air conditioner back on. Goodbye and thanks for watching.